Good morning, third class student. Good morning, all. Okay, take out your textbook, social textbook. Okay. Now I told you now I will start with the second lesson. How our earth looks. How our earth looks. Okay. So here I gave you the new words for you, and even I draw the picture of the globe, two sides. Okay. Now come to the even introduction part I gave you now. So now to come to the part of lesson. Okay. So here we already know that earth is round and very big. We cannot see the entire earth at one time. Okay. We already know that earth is looks like a ball, and even we cannot okay travel, or we can see the earth in a one time. At one time we cannot see. Okay. So we make a model of the earth to study it. This model is called globe. So to at one time we cannot study the earth, so we created a model of the earth, that is nothing but globe. Okay. Now see here, given the model of the earth is given here. Okay, they fixed that ball of the globe on the stand so that it can rotate, because earth will rotate now. Okay. And see here the picture I drawn on the board, it's in the book also. See page number 12. Okay, even on a globe we cannot see the entire earth at the sketch. Okay, if you see this globe also, will you able to see back side of the globe? What is there? No. So at once we cannot, we have to rotate it, then only we will be knowing. We need to rotate the globe to see other side. Correct? I told you we have to rotate this. Okay, it will be moving. Why this stand is fixed? To see the back side part of the globe also. Okay. And we cannot show the details on the globe. Even the globe, in globe we cannot show the details in detail. It is also difficult to carry a big globe. See, this is such a big small globe is not visible to us. Okay, and even we cannot carry big globe. Okay, so this problem can see solved if you use maps. Why this? Because of this problem, maps are created, so that we can easily okay study the earth. Okay, a map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it. Okay, map is what? A drawing of the earth or part of it. Maps can be carried anywhere easily. Correct na? We can carry the globe, we cannot. If globe is this much means okay, will you able to carry easily? No. That's why maps came. Okay, so map okay, we can carry any place easily. Okay, some maps are big while others are small. A book of maps is known as an atlas. Okay, in the new words you are having the spelling this, no, atlas. I told you, no, what is this atlas mean? Okay, a number of maps are okay are in kept in one book. Okay, one book is created, one file is created, that is nothing but atlas. In the different states, countries, world map, state map, different states map, different countries maps we are having in that atlas. Okay, a map which can be hung on the wall is known as the wall map. So if any map is hang on the wall is okay wall map. A map on which the whole surface of the earth is drawn is called the world map. Okay, if any map is drawn with the total world whatever here given now, all the continents are there, different countries are there, all are included in this world map. Okay, this is called a world map. Okay, now oceans are there. You see the picture of 13 page number, oceans and continents are given here. Okay, in this picture in the board I drawn only ocean, this continents I gave you, 7 continents are there now, that I gave you. Even oceans also there. You see Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, okay, Arctic Ocean. Okay, see there's different Antarctic Ocean, different oceans also there in this map. Okay, oceans are a very large water bodies are covered. Okay, are called the oceans. Very large water bodies okay are called oceans. Okay, there are 4 main oceans on the earth. 4 main oceans are there. What are there? The names are Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. 4 are there, okay? Pacific Ocean, okay, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Okay, 4 oceans are there. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and also the deepest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean is the very deepest and largest ocean when compared to other oceans. Okay. The surface of the earth has many smaller water bodies. The surface of the earth is having many smaller water bodies. They are called seas, gulfs, bays, lakes, ponds or rivers. The top of the surface of the earth is covered with water. Okay, covered surface of the earth is many smaller water bodies are there in surface of the earth. So what are they called? Seas, okay, gulfs, bays, lakes, ponds or rivers. Okay, na? So continents, we learned yesterday, no? What are continents? I told you to learn also. Okay, continents, very large land masses are called the continents. Okay, very large land masses are called continents. Okay, so there are 7 continents. Okay, on the surface of the earth. 7 continents are there. What are there? Their names are Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. How many are there? 7 are there. Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. Okay, 7 continents are there. Asia is the largest continent. Okay, okay. What is the large land masses? Large land masses. Okay, that is this continent.